Hello friends, welcome to FPF. Today I am going to see about top 10 unique cars. Number 1. The Genty Aquilon. The Genty Aquilon is a sports car developed by the French automobile manufacturer Genty Automobile. The vehicle, limited to 15 coupes and 10 roadsters, has been built in Saint-Pauquin since 2017. Development started in 2011. Aquilon claimed to sprint from 0 to 62 in 2.7 seconds and armed to a top speed of 220 miles per hour. Let's see some of its features. Its class is a sports car, its body style is a two-door coupe, its layout is a rear mid-engine rear-wheel drive and has scissor type of doors. Number 2. The VLF Force 1 V10. The VLF Force 1 V10 is an American sports car produced by VLF Automotive. Based on the Dodge Viper VX1, the Force 1 was designed by automobile designer Henrik Fisker. VLF Automotive also partnered with American racing driver and Viper enthusiast Ben Keating during the development of the Force 1. Leveraging his experience with the engine, the Force 1 V10 was first unveiled at the 2016 Detroit Auto Show, with the production of the 50 vehicles began in April 2016. Performance estimates included 0 to 60 miles per hour, time of 3.0 seconds and on a top speed of 218 miles per hour. Let's see some of its features. Its class is a sports car, its body style is a two-door coupe, its layout is a front mid-engine, a rear-wheel drive, and it's related to Dodge Viper VX1. 3. The Aspark Owl. The Aspark Owl is an all-electric battery-powered sports car manufactured by Japanese engineering firm Aspark. Under development since 2018, with the goal of making the fastest accelerating electric car. It reaches to a top speed of 400 km per hour, 249 miles per hour. Since it's electric, it's calculated the battery range will last about 450 km. Number 4. The Sin R1 550. The Sin R1 550 is the first road car from Sin Cars. The company is based in Rus, Bulgaria, and it was founded by Bulgarian businessman and racing driver Rosen Dasklev. It's a relatively lightweight two-seater supercar with a mid-mounted V8 engine. It's Bulgaria's first ever homegrown car. Sin Cars goes 0 to 62 miles per hour, time of 3.5 seconds, and a 186 miles per hour top speed. So, it's pretty rapid. Number 5. The Rimac Concept 1. The Rimac Concept 1 is a two-seat high-performance electric car designed and manufactured in Croatia by Rimac Automobile. With total output of 913 and an acceleration time of 0 to 100 km in 2.5 seconds. 6. The Exotic Rides W70. An Orlando-based auto company that goes by the name Exotic Rides has completed the development of a 626 horsepower supercar called the W70. Exotic Rides make a name for itself in the industry. Here's what we know about the W70. Its design was penned by an Australian automotive designer named David Williams. The renderings of the supercar makes us think that Williams used the Ferrari Enzo as inspiration behind its creation. It's little more subdued than the Enzo, but a lot of the elements, including the shape of the headlights and the scissor doors, are present in the final version of the supercar. It reaches to a top speed of 200 miles per hour. Number 7. The Triumph Nemesis RR. The Triumph Nemesis RR is a mid-engine 4-wheel drive supercar. The Triumph Nemesis RR will be powered by 9.0 twin turbocharged V8 engine capable of producing 2000 horsepower. Power will be channeled to all four wheels via an 8-speed sequential transmission. The RR will feature all-wheel drive. The Triumph Nemesis RR is intended to compete with Bugatti Chiron and the Concept 1. The Nemesis RR is aiming to become the fastest street vehicle car. Number 8. The Apex AP0. The Apex AP0 is an upcoming all-electric console sports car announced in 2020 by the British or Hong Kong sports car company Apex Motors and is scheduled for production in 2022 in working. The Apex AP0 has a claimed top speed of 190 miles per hour and acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds. Number 9. The SCG 003. The Scuderia Cameron Glickenhaus SCG 003 is a limited edition sports car and racing car developed and manufactured by American boutique car maker Scuderia Cameron Glickenhaus LLC. It is first announced as PF33 in 2013. The SCG 003 was launched in 2015 at the Geneva Motor Show. Former Pininfarina designer Paolo Garella was commissioned to design the car. Number 10. The Torridon 1MW. The Torridon 1MW concept car is a street-legal technical prototype and has been designed, developed and built entirely in-house in Finland. The Torridon 1MW concept car has 4 direct drive electric motors producing total mechanical power of 1000 kW and 48 volts, which is the first of its kind in the world. Hope you like this video and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Want to know more facts? Follow FPF. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.